Hello everyone and welcome to a new series on this channel where I will be teaching you how you can create your very own Spigot plugin for Minecraft. I will be using version 1.19.2 for this series, which is the latest version of Spigot, but as Spigot releases new versions, I will be updating them throughout the series, and I will make sure to alert you when those happen. But for now, the latest version is 1.19.2, which is what I'm going to be using. The first thing that we're going to want to download is Java itself, which we're going to go to Oracle's website, and all of the links will be down in the description for this. We're actually going to install Java 17 for now, because in the process of recording this, I realized that the software Gradle, which we're going to be using for our package management, actually does not support Java 19 yet. So I'm just going to have you guys install Java 17. In the future, Gradle will eventually add implementation for Java 19, but it was literally released like 10 days ago, so they haven't actually added implementation for it yet. But for now, we're just going to use Java 17, and you're going to find your operating system down here, which is Windows for me, and you're going to click the install link here, and that's just going to download. I'm not going to download it because I already have it. You're going to run through this, install Java, and then you're going to head over to IntelliJ here, which is the IDE that we're going to use. And you're going to download the community version because it's the free version, and I don't know why you'd want to pay for it, but I mean, if you want to, go right ahead. It has all these extra features, but we're not going to be using any of these. So you're going to hit download, and if it doesn't, you can hit this link here, but obviously it's downloading automatically for me. And I'm not going to download it because I already have it. The third and final thing that we're going to need is the Spigot JAR, which you can get from getbucket.org here, or you can run the build tools, which I will not show in this video because it takes like 10 minutes to do, and it's pretty self-explanatory. You can find a lot of tutorials about it, and there's even a link on the forums for it, but I'm just going to download it off of here, and we're just going to click this, and you should be downloading the Spigot JAR. So now we're going to head to our desktop, and we're going to create a new folder called server, and we will drag and drop the Spigot JAR that we just downloaded into it, and I'm just going to call this spigot.jar because it's just easier to type out, and we're going to create a new text document and call it start.bat. Hit yes and hit edit. Then you're going to want to type java-jar spigot.jar, and for the name, if you have spaces in the name, you're going to want to put these quotation marks around them because it will think that it's a separate argument, but it's not. So if you add the quotes around it, it treats it as one argument. It's just, I usually add the quotations just because it's for, you know, demonstration purposes, but you don't need them if you don't have spaces. Add them if you do, or else obviously it won't work. And I'm just going to add a pause at the end of this. So that's just basically just means that once the server stops, you have to hit a key for it to close out of it. That's just what I like to do because I like to be able to read the messages as it's disabling to see if there's any errors or any of that. And we can just close out of that. We're going to hit start, and this will just extract a bunch of stuff that you don't really need to worry about. And see right here, press any key to continue. That's that little pause at the end. Just going to hit enter, and we're going to need to accept the EULA here and change this to true. Close out of that and rerun this. Should take about like 45 seconds. It should take like 45 seconds, maybe a minute, depending on your computer. And you'll get this annoying GUI here, but I will show you what to do with that in a minute. Okay, so it is done, and it took only, yeah, like I said, it only took like 42 seconds, which not very long at all. I'm just going to stop the server because this GUI here is really annoying, I'm going to be completely honest. And the way you can get rid of that is go to your start file and just type --no GUI at the end. And if you run it again, you should no longer get a GUI. It's really redundant. It's literally just a second console, and it provides no useful features besides seeing like which players are online. So I just like to get rid of it. If you don't care that much, then you can keep it, but I just like to get rid of it. Okay, so now you're going to want to open up IntelliJ, and I'm going to show you something real quick before we actually create our project. So if you go to plugins here, and if you go to marketplace and you type in Minecraft development, you can download this plugin here, which will make your life so much easier. Like, truly will make your life so much easier creating plugins, because it will just autofill a bunch of miscellaneous information that's just a hassle to type every single time you create a project. So I really recommend that you download this. I'm not affiliated with this dude. It's just a great plugin to have. So once you have that, you're going to create a new project here. Make sure you have your Java version selected, and go to Minecraft down here and hit Spigot. You can also select your project SDK up here, and you're going to go to the build settings here, and for group ID, you generally want to follow me dot and then your name, so me.expensive, and then for your artifact ID, it's just going to be the name of your plugin, which will be tutorial for me. I'm going to change the version to 1.0, and I'm going to make this Gradle, because I'm a lot more familiar with Gradle as opposed to Maven, so that's just what I'm going to show you guys. If you want a separate tutorial about Maven, I will do that, but you can honestly just go and look up other tutorials about how to use Maven. So I'm just going to show you how to use Gradle. Hit next, and there's some information in here that you can either fill in if you want to or not. I'm just going to fill it in because for, you know, educational purposes. It's just usually description and authors. You're not really going to need any of this other stuff right now. If you, later on down the line, we might need this, but make sure your Minecraft version is 1.19.2. Make sure this is all correct, and then just hit next. And you're going to name your project here. I'm just going to call it tutorial, and then we're going to wait for this to load. Okay, once everything's loaded, you should have something that resembles this. And first, I'm just going to show you this build.gradle file here. You can close out of this. This is all just a bunch of information that you usually have to type out manually if you had not used this plugin, so that's why I recommend that you use it. It automatically fills in like group ID, dependencies, your Java version, all of that. It's just so much easier than typing this all out. If you go to source, there's this test folder here you can delete. I don't really use it. There's not really a point to using it. And third, you have your plugin.yml file, which automatically got filled with a bunch of information. It automatically updates this version here off of your version in your build.gradle, so you only need to change it to one place, which is always handy. API version, authors, stuff like that, it's all auto-filled for you, so really, really useful plugin, and I highly recommend that you download it. And the last thing is your main class here, which already filled in information like the superclass, Java plugin, and these enable and on disable methods, which is where we are going to focus the actual coding portion of this. So what we're going to want to do is do get server.get console send message chat color translate alternate color codes, and we're just going to do a simple message: the tutorial plugin has been enabled, which is just a little startup message for us, and we're just going to copy this and change this to disabled. Basically, what this means is, I cannot spell, actually that's what that means. Basically, you're getting the console, you're sending the message. This is just converting chat color codes, which using the symbol and. You can also use any other symbol, but usually and's like the standard for chat color, and it just converts these to colors, and A is like a light green and C is red. So basically just a really simple startup message. Okay, so the last thing that we're going to want to do is add a little task in our build.gradle file, which will just make your life a lot easier. This is basically just going to copy your jar file from the project directory into your server, so you don't have to copy and paste it. I'm just gonna quickly skim through this because it's really not that important. You only really need to do it once in your project, and then that's it. Just you have to type in the path to your plugins folder here, which for me is this right here. From my C drive, users, my name, desktop, server, plugins, and then under that you're going to want to hit build.finalized by CopyJar, and then hit reload. So this is just going to run this task here, which will copy a file from build directory /libs into your plugins folder. And if you hit build, if I pull over this, you will see it is right here, tutorial 1.0, and it is in my plugins folder right here. If I start up the server here, you will see our little startup message in a second, and right there it is. The tutorial plugin has been enabled. And if I reload this, you'll see disabled, enabled, and all really simple stuff for now. That's going to be all for this episode. In the next video, I will be getting into commands, which will be a lot more interesting than just some simple messages, I promise. If you have any issues with anything, whether it be IntelliJ, Gradle, Spigot, installing something, whatever, leave a comment. I'll try to help you as best as I can. I know how there's usually a lack of documentation on literally any of errors. It's usually just a bunch of Stack Overflow posts, which are very hit or miss on whether or not they'll actually help you. So if you have an issue, let me know. Subscribe, leave a like, leave a comment, all that fun jazz, and yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next video.